this video, I will show you how to verify your account on Gate.io. First of all, download the Gate.io app and make sure that you are logged into your account. From there, we're going to click on our profile icon at the top left, and in here we're going to click on the arrow at the top right next to our profile and settings. So let's go ahead and click on that. And in this section, we can see that our KYC, our identity verification, is unverified at this moment. So this means that we cannot trade anything on Gate.io. So in order to verify this, you simply just click on Unverified, and then you're going to click on Verify Now, and then you're basically going through the process. So make sure that your country of residence is in the list, and go ahead and fill in everything of your details and your nationality, and then just go ahead and click on Next, and then go through the process. Once you do this, you will also need to verify your address, as you can see down below. And the requirements for this are a proof of address, and this will take around 10 minutes to review, and the identity verification will take around 2 minutes. So once you do that, you will be able to do everything you like on Gate.io, including trades, transferring, and stuff like that. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.